ये क्या बोलते ना, जहर फूक रही है, जहर फूक रही है हम दोनों के बीच।
हीना बोल रही है सिर्फ डिच हिम।
उसके पहले मुझे बोले अच्छा ये तेरा मतलब मुझसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है सुरभि। मैंने कहा कि सुरभि पुराना प्यार है यार। हाँ, how are you doing, Bubsy?
I am good. How are you?
We're just.
I'm just trying to.
Don't forget I'm Kamolika. Hina saying don't forget I'm Kamolika.
Kamolika, we love you.
अगर इतनी हॉट कमोलिका हो तो फिर नागिन और कमोलिका का मिक्सचर, बाय गॉड मैन, यू नो इट्स लीथल एंड फेटल। मेरे लिए सही नहीं है।
What? नागिन क्या?
मैं कह रहा नागिन और कमोलिका का मिक्सचर। Oh, thank you, guys.
Your Wi-Fi is just so bad.
Okay, one second. Hold on, wait.
Okay, there you are.
Hey, Hina, what is this? Very bad.
क्या हुआ?
When does my Hina बोलती है his Wi-Fi sucks, that's why I don't go live with him. कैसी बदमाश है ये? भाई, हम कनेक्ट वाईफाई से नहीं होते, हम कनेक्ट दिल से होते हैं, समझी? देख, हाँ हिना, ये देख, नहीं डायलॉग नहीं, मेरे दिल से निकला है, कोई डायलॉग नहीं था। हिना देख, सुरभि मेरी दिल की आवाज सुन सकती है। मैं चाहता हूँ तू भी सुने मेरी दिल की आवाज।
हिना है कहाँ? Where is she?
So Bubsy, वाह वाह वाह। तो हिना अगर तुम लाइव हो, तुम प्लीज सवाल सुनो, हम सुरभि से कैसे कैसे सवाल पूछने वाले हैं। बट आपके लिए अलग ही होंगे। So Bubsy, how are you doing? How is quarantine?
Hello. Internet not working.
अच्छा, Hina's asking a question. Did you blow dry your hair today? That's part of my 21 questions, by the way. Huh? I was also going to ask you the same thing. Did you blow dry your hair today? तो तेरे बाल इतने अच्छे और घने कैसे?
बोरा जी का वाईफाई कभी ठीक होगा क्या? आपका इंटरनेट कभी ठीक होगा क्या? हम
What, you can't hear me?
केवी आप पॉज हो गए हो एक जगह पे।
Oh no yaar, what is this? Can you hear me now? Hey guys, silence please. There is a live session going on right here. But तेरा clear नहीं आ रहा है, क्यों? भाई तेरा इंटरनेट सही नहीं है, मेरा एकदम क्लियर है। Can you just check your internet? हाँ हीना, तूने अपने कमोलिका वाली जादू डाल दिया ना इस पे। ये चिंतन पवलंकर भी हाय बोल रहा है। चिंतू, ओए होए, छू लिया तूने मेरे दिल को, छू लिया हीना। Wait, let's get this one. Yeah, it was her connection that was not fine. You are coming live with me on Tuesday, okay? पक्का हाँ कर दे, इधर ही हाँ कर दे, लोगों के साथ हाँ कर दे, अभी हाँ कर दे, okay? कहाँ गई? सुरभि आ गई वापस। Okay guys, silence. निर्मला, you are coming with me live, Hina, on Tuesday, okay? हाँ बोल दे, अभी बोल दे, I'm waiting. वो तो है, तो मेरा नया प्यार है। But so I'll see you on Tuesday. Right. Man, this is how life is gonna go, man. This is how life is going. सुरभि क्यों नहीं ऐड हो रही है यार? What is this? हिना एक काम कर, तू लाइव आजा. Hey सुरभि, what is happening? मेरे को वो कॉफी देना बाहर से. सुरभि, I've added you. Kissy to you. Bye हिना. सुरभि, रिक्वेस्ट, लेकिन अरे सृष्टि रोडे, हाउ आर यू डूइंग पापा? फाइनली लिसन, मेरा इंटरनेट खराब नहीं है ना.
Sorry, it was mine. Sorry, my apologies.
सृष्टि को हाय बोल, चिंतन को हाय बोल.
My God, all this while my internet was acting up, and I thought it was yours.
And you blamed me for it, and I took the blame. Surbhi, I took the blame.
As always.
As always, Surbhi, ये है प्यार.
Hina kept you entertained. क्या बोल रही है अभी? कहाँ गई?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But Hina's gone.
Okay.
अच्छा, अभी मुझे फटाफट, मतलब 21 क्वेश्चन शुरू नहीं हुआ और 21 सवाल मैंने ऑलरेडी पूछ लिए तुझसे.
क्या?
सबसे पहला ये सवाल कि हैव यू
Oh my God, I didn't know. Ask.
See, that's the beauty, the way we are. मतलब पता ही नहीं चलता कि इंटरव्यू चल रहा है. याद है वो क्या नाम है उसका? What is the name, man? जो हमारे इंटरव्यू लेती थी.
वृशाली.
अरे अगेन तेरा अटक गया. तूने वाईफाई के पैसे नहीं भरे क्या? हाँ, वाईफाई के पैसे भरे तूने? वाईफाई के पैसे भरे? हाँ, तेरा 3G में काम कर रहा है ना?
सारा दिन क्या करती हूँ यार, यही करती हूँ.
You have used up your 4G. अब तो 3G पे चल रही है. Blessings. रुशाली उसका नाम था.
वृशाली.
या वृशाली.
Yeah.
तो वो जब लेती थी तो पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि इंटरव्यू चल रहा है.
That's our talent, please.
That was Ahil and Sanam.
That's us.
Absolutely. तो मुझे बताओ यार, तुम कर क्या रही हो आजकल? मतलब in terms of this quarantine time. मतलब you see your pictures.
चल रहा है कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा इंटरनेशनल शोज देख रही हूँ.
और हमारे देसी शोज Z5 के, हॉटस्टार के, ऑल्ट के.
I think I've seen all of them.
ओहो, तो सेकंड ऑप्शन यू गेव Netflix and Amazon.
Oh yeah.
बदमाश.
Very seriously.
So tell me, okay.
At least you have TJ, you have Vienna and Bella.
Okay, I know. You know, there are so many people out there. Who are alone, you know, who's staying alone, and I really don't know how they must be passing their time. Seriously,
I'm missing both of them, yeah. I really want to just pull their cheeks.
Aaja, ghar aaja. Ghar aaja.
Don't step out of your house. Stay home. Stay safe.
Stay home. Okay, so I'm going to start with a very amazing question, very fun question.
Yeah.
All right. So, Surbhi Jyoti, you have choosoed your 4G. आप क्या recommend करेंगी for people to watch? 2 favorite shows.
Friends.
Friends.
Why not?
That's not a bad idea. You can have a rerun of Friends. It's true. It's a good idea actually.
Oh yeah.
Very therapeutic.
I've seen Friends, like, I don't know, I've lost the count now. And you guys can actually watch This Is Us. It's there on Netflix.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
All right. So what's there on Netflix?
No, people are asking where is Friends, like kahan telecast hota hai. So I'm just telling them it's on
Netflix. Yeah.
And second, I'm saying watch This Is Us.
What?
This Is Us.
This is us. This is how we are.
केवी, आपने नहीं देखा है This Is Us?
No.
You are so gonna love it. TJ is gonna love it. It's an amazing show. It's lovely.
Really?
Lovely.
ठीक है, इतना बोले तो हम सब लोग This Is Us देखेंगे. No, we have to see. Done.
Please watch. It's amazing. It's on Hotstar.
Okay, tell me. Okay, so besides ये movies और Netflix वगैरह, what is the most beautiful thing you saw in the last week on social media?
Genuinely, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that all the actors, okay, this fraternity, how they have actually taken it as a responsibility, and they are trying to entertain people, and they are just trying to tell people that it's actually safe to stay at home. And I'm really amazed, you know, we just don't entertain by playing our respective characters. We can entertain them as who we are. कोई अपने वर्कआउट की वीडियोस पोस्ट कर रहा है, कोई झाड़ू लगाते हुए, कोई खाना बनाते हुए, कोई वैसे ही बातें कर रहा है, कोई टिकटॉक बना रहा है. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है that how, I mean, naturally we have taken it as a responsibility that now we have to entertain people, which is, I think it's
That
amazing.
is so true. हाँ, ये बहुत बहुत सही बात कही है. Because you know sometimes करते करते मुझे भी खुद को डाउट होता है यार मैं कुछ ज्यादा नहीं कर रहा हूँ. But then as you said, it is a fact because what are people doing?
Me. Please keep doing that.
I will. मैं तो वही shameless तो मैं तो करता हूँ but एक बार आता है कि कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो रहा है. But I say you know what? Yeah, because बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो नहीं कर रहे हैं, you know. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है यार ये लोग क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? कुछ चल रहा है इनके दिमाग में. You know, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था. मे भी वो लोग देख रहे होंगे. They must be the audience.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, what is this one not so good thing that you've seen on social media in this past 1 week that has really affected you? One specific thing. Huh?
When you know there was this Janta curfew Mr. Modi has asked for. I think it was last Sunday. Yeah.
Yeah.
And people actually didn't get the concept. They were on the roads celebrating, doing Bhangra and Garba.
Yeah.
I was like, which part of don't step out of your house they didn't understand? They were on
They
the
were
road
doing Garba, that's true.
उनको ऐसा लगा कि बस 5 बजे हम तालियां बजा देंगे जितनी जोर से उतनी जल्दी कोरोना भाग जाएगा. It was not like that.
उन्हें क्या लगा था कि कोरोना एक अलग फ्रीक्वेंसी पे काम कर रहा है.
Yeah.
तो वो जो साउंड की जो फ्रीक्वेंसी उससे.
I know यार, people are doing Garba and Bhangra और ऐसे मतलब क्या कर रहे हैं? I don't know.
What is Surbhi Jyoti's superpower besides taking a tongue out like Nagin?
To clean something. Trust me, it's my superpower.
Like?
मेरा घर इससे पहले इतना साफ कभी नहीं था. Like, because you know, always my house help used to do that. But now since I've been doing it, you have no idea. मैंने इतना साफ कर दिया अपने घर को. मेरे बर्तन इतने साफ हैं. Everything is just.
हाँ, but I know you're staying alone. How do you take care of? मतलब तू अपने आप को entertain कैसे करती है?
Yeah, I was always a घरघुस्सू type. Like I mean,
लेकिन पहले you were busy. Surbhi, since the time you started working, जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ.
Yes,
you
actually,
have never sat
now,
at home.
You know, I am actually taking this time very positively. Not that it's a very positive situation overall, but अभी क्या करें? I mean, it's just a perspective. आप रो के अरे shit यार घर में कैद हो गए, ये हो गया वो गया. और just take it as an opportunity. जो भी आपके pending काम थे, मेरी बहुत सारी movies थी जो मुझे देखनी थी, मेरे बहुत सारी series थी जो मुझे देखनी थी. So yeah.
भाई मैं एक चीज बताऊं, मेरे 2 पेंडिंग काम है. मुझे लगा था कि जब मुझे फ्री टाइम होगा ना मैं करूंगा. अभी तक नहीं हुआ है.
क्या?
मेरी अलमारी साफ करना अभी तक नहीं हुई है मेरी. मैंने टच भी नहीं किया.
How I wish मैं भी भाग के आपके घर आके आपकी कबर्ड सेट कर दूं. You have to see my cupboard.
Seriously?
It's like neat and.
Can you show us your cupboard? Can you show us your cupboard? जनता ये देखिए, पहली बार आप सभी की कबर्ड में घुसने वाले हैं. हाँ, ऐसी कोई चीज है जो आप थोड़ा एम्बैरेस हो जाओ, बट इट्स ओके. Suri, did you see her अलमारी? यार मेरे घर आ जा प्लीज.
बेला और रियाना
दोनों. उसको ऐसे मारा, उसने ऐसे पुल किया और माम. और जब बेला रोती है ना तो ऐसा लगता है कि पूरी दुनिया का बोझ सिर पे उसने उठा लिया. ऐसा क्या, सब पूरी दुनिया कायनात खत्म हो गई. हाँ सच में. And then here right now after she cries, sorry mom. Really, man. Okay, well, are you reading anything? Because you like reading so much.
Yes, no, but I am actually not, because now since I know that everything I have to do on my own, so once I start reading, मैं छोड़ नहीं पाती हूँ. तो इसलिए this a book I'm not gonna start, because then I'll be like मैं कुछ खाऊंगी नहीं, कुछ सफाई नहीं करूंगी, so might as well. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अभी कुछ नहीं शुरू.
अरे सुन भी एक असो जैक करके है. It's his birthday today. Can you please wish
Happy
him?
birthday to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day.
Okay, Surbhi, you
Yeah.
played various roles. Okay, मतलब तूने कितना 6 साल हो गए तुझे इंडस्ट्री में? 6? 2008?
I came. No, 12.
8. You came in 12.
2012.
Yeah, sorry, 8 years. 8
started.
years. 8 years. What I meant was 8 years.
Yeah.
Yes, 8 years. 8 साल हो गए सुरभि. मुझे अभी भी याद है. In fact, we just met Honey Singh in Delhi, and I was telling Honey Paji that आपके जो जब एल्बम निकली थी ना, वो 1 million in a night I can earn. और मैंने I said TJ, you, me and Asha, we would sit in that open convertible Beetle,
yes.
और हम लोग कितना वो गाना सुनते थे यार.
उसके सारे रैप्स अभी
सारा रैप मुझे पता था. Seriously, it was such a beautiful, amazing time. Oh no, what happened? Please, Surbhi, one sec. Okay. Oh no. Okay, she's asking. Hey, Surbhi, Masi's asking something. What happened? See?
They're fighting. What
Listen. Yeah, what happened?
What happened?
Nan did like this to me.
Nan did like this to her. Okay. You take care. Okay, don't cry. देख, पूरी दुनिया खत्म हो गई. Oh man. एक दूसरे के बगैर नहीं रह सकते, एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं रह सकते. यार, she did this to me. Surbhi, अगर there's one dead, I mean, this you would love. I would love to listen to your answer. If there's one dead celebrity you would want to meet, who would it be?
Michael Jackson.
Why?
I don't know. Yeah, because his journey was very, very interesting. Like, you must have seen all ups and downs, fame, and I mean, you know, all the court thing he just went through, and the way he was a sensation like never before. You know, he was like, oh my god. You know, I was reading something on internet. I have no idea how true it was, but there was this time when he was more famous than Jesus Christ in America. So imagine
Probably,
the
very much,
fame
very
he
much.
must have experienced. But I'll just sit with him and I just want to talk to him about his journey. He really.
Seriously, that would be amazing because he would be dead and nobody would bother him, and it would just be you and him talking.
Oh, imagine.
Imagine that. Yeah. Who's your favorite actor in Bollywood?
Ranveer Singh. I love him.
क्यों दूसरे मर गए क्या?
No,
What is this?
I just love his energy, first of all, and secondly, मुझे ऐसा लगता है he is very, very, very versatile. Not that others are not, but I don't know. I love him. He's so talented. He just.
You know, even
I can feel that vibe from him, that he's very friendly and he's very nice, and I love such people. You know that.
a favorite actor in Hollywood? Hugh Jackman. भाई I must tell everybody, ये लड़की मतलब आप बाय चांस बाय मिस्टेक अगर ह्यू जैकमैन इसको दिख जाए, दुनिया वहीं पर खत्म. ह्यूज जैकमैन की जो वाइफ है, उसके जो लोग आजू बाजू है ना, उसके जो जो कपड़े पहने, मतलब ये लड़की नोच देगी उसे, फाड़ी नोच देगी, दैट मच आई नो।
I love
ऐसी
her.
पागल।
Just
यू
love
लव
her.
हिम इज एन अंडरस्टेटमेंट, लव इज एन अंडरस्टेटमेंट। लव नहीं है वो है ना, वो पता नहीं क्या है वो। I
But
have
isn't
nothing to
he
describe.
just pure beauty? Isn't he just amazing?
ऐसा क्या था तूने जो ह्यूज जैकमैन में देखा, प्लीज मुझे बताओ, और ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था?
See, it started with Australia. I saw Australia, okay, and he was so good in that movie. And then
हैंडसम, नॉट गुड,
oh yeah,
चार्मिंग।
and then of course that whole Marvel thing, जो उसकी series थी, Logan and all. And I have no idea. I
लोगन।
think more than anything, I like his vibe. I don't know. I'm a very vibe person. He gives that vibe. He's so honest and innocent looking man. I just love him for that.
क्या तुम उसे लोगन, मतलब तुम उसे लोगी? हाँ, मैं बुला लूं उसे? हाँ, should I call him up and tell him
And
that?
you know what? I remember this conversation. Once you, me, and TJ were having this conversation, and I was telling you that, oh, how I wish that, you know, I meet Hugh Jackman one day. And then you said that every person we want to meet is just 7 people away. 7 persons away.
Yes, no, not 7, no, 6. 6 degrees of separation.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just have
अब
to
देख,
find
for example,
Huh.
no, you don't even need 6 people. You have me.
Ah, okay.
I know that one person in LA. See, I know Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra knows Hugh Jackman.
She does? Oh, I've seen their video also together.
Come on. ए पर्ल आया हुआ है, पर्ल। नहीं सॉरी, पर्ल का फेक, नो पर्ल का कोई फेक अकाउंट वाला है। मुझे लगा पर्ल आया था। Yeah, but that's true. So this has happened just 3 degrees of separation from, you're only 3 people away from
Wow.
Hugh Jackman. Okay, don't worry, we'll get to Hugh Jackman very soon. ऐसा एक जुनूनी fan, what has like the craziest thing a fan done for you? ये मत
I
लिखना
once
खून से आंसू
received a
लिखे।
letter, ऐसा
With खून।
से लिखा हुआ, which I absolutely didn't like. I would not encourage that. It was gross. However that person have loved me, I didn't like it. I just didn't.
Yeah, guys, actually that's true. Huh?
It is. It's not good.
Yeah, मतलब पुरान, I think 10-15 years back it used to be called Junooni Pyar, but it's stupid pyar in right now.
Yeah.
That's
I
dumb.
would not call
Really.
that.
It's not worth it also, really.
I know.
जो भी fan है या अपनी girlfriend के लिए, अपने boyfriend के लिए लिखती है ना, it's not worth it
What's
because
the point? What are you trying to tell me? That what? There's nothing in it. What kind of gesture it is?
no, it means that I can take the pain. इतना दर्द सहन कर सकता हूँ तेरे लिए।
Why? There is no need to take that much pain. Logically, चलो यार, क्या साबित कर रहे हो?
What is one movie you would recommend? Like that Surbhi Jyoti has watched this one movie more than 10 times.
Oh, ऐसा?
ऐसा?
यार ऐसा नहीं है, but like there are so many movies, but there's one movie which I'll call that it's spectacular, and that is The Bicycle Thief.
Ah.
It is. You know what, KV? They are not acting in the film. They are just.
That's true. I don't know how they do it, man. Really.
It's insane. It's something else. The kid, the wife, the man. Oh my God! It's insane. It's insane.
When did you see that movie?
Couple of years back.
Wow.
Amazing.
Super perfect. यहाँ पे, I mean, there are a lot of these movies.
And you know what? Recently, I've seen this Meryl
alternate
Streep
cinema
film,
movies.
Sophie's Choice. I have no idea. Like
Sophie's Choice.
Oh, KV, you will love it. You have to see
I
Meryl
haven't
Streep.
seen it.
That she is beyond this world. She's just, oof. She's a goddess.
Wow.
You have to see Sophie's Choice.
You remind me of the younger version of Meryl Streep. ये मैंने क्या कह दिया और ये तूने क्या सुन लिया?
You have no idea how much I admire her.
हाँ ये तूने क्या सुन लिया मेरे मुंह से? What did you share? What scares you the most?
I mean, like virtually or literally, like.
No, like really, like in life, what scares you? Like everybody's got some kind of fear.
Lizards?
Okay, not physical, not that kind, not khatron ke khiladi kind of fears.
Oh, acha.
But just like basic, yeah.
Okay, acha, I got your point.
More emotional.
Yeah, like, what if I stop growing? What if I become stagnant mentally? You know, like, what
Complacent.
if... Yeah, what if I don't want to meet the person, like, after a couple of years and the person is telling me that you are just the same, you have not changed at all. I don't want to listen to that. I'm like, no, I want to change, I want to grow. People meet me after some time and they'll just say that, wow, Surbhi, we are meeting new you. I just want to grow every day. Learn new things.
Yeah. Meet the new you.
Yes, evolve with time.
Yeah, but it would be nice if you're a fantastic, if you're a very chulbuli person, and you know you're like, how would you say, happy-go-lucky,
Yeah,
and
I'm not saying
you're
that
still the same.
I want to change myself 100%, but I'm saying that I want to grow with
But
time.
growth in terms of knowledge, in terms of maturity.
I want to evolve. Yeah.
Evolve. That's so true. Lovely. So true, yaar. Yeah, Surbhi actually to evolve ho gayi hai na, to wo Surbhi nahi rahi.
You know what? David, do you remember what's the best compliment you have ever given me? I think you don't remember because मुझे मिला था तो मुझे याद होगा.
No.
Okay. So once it was in Vrishali's interview only, you said that I was just talking to my wife about Surbhi, that how she's so, her energy is this, that, ye, wo, this, and that. Whenever we meet Surbhi, like you and TJ, we feel as if किसी ने ऐसे फूलों की basket फेंक दी हो हवा में. It feels like that.
Oh wow.
You said that to me and I was like, oh my God.